Alright, what's up YouTube? So, this week's project is going to be making a bit of a toy for Logan. It's not exactly, I don't know if it's going to be an approved toy, but I think it'll be cool. So, this was the first test run. Did out of ply, didn't obviously sand it heaps, just wanted to see if it sort of looked cool. Sort of roughly based off this one that I've had sitting around. Yeah, it's pretty close. I think there's a cool little hatchet, so I'm going to be making a cool little toy hatchet for Logan. Obviously definitely not going to be sharp, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So this was the first test run. This was the second test run out of some of this timber. I don't really know what it is, but it's really nice and light and soft, and I think it'll be good for the axe, because it obviously doesn't have to be sharp or anything. So, and then I've just sort of testing a few different things on this one, and then I think I'm going to try and do a bit of a sort of more laminated one, maybe with some plywood and some of this, and yeah, we'll see how we go. So let's get into it. So, as you can see, the little hatchet is all finished up for Logan now. I think he'll really like it. We'll see. Yeah, I think it turned out pretty cool.
Look what I got for you. Wow, what do you think? Is that cool? What are you going to do with that? Chopping? Is it cool?
Right, so he loved it, which is awesome. That's the whole point of it. So he's been running around with it all day, because I'm recording this at night now, and he's just been having a blast with it, which is awesome. He even took it downtown when we went for a walk. Definitely got a few funny looks, but that's cool, because I already get funny looks for, you know, the beard and hair and so on. But yeah, he's definitely been liking it, so that's awesome. And I think I'm definitely going to experiment with maybe making some more, a few different things, maybe a hammer, maybe a little workbench. I don't know, but I definitely want to experiment more with making him toys, because it's fun, and I get to see his little face light up when he gets stuff from me, so that's awesome. And he likes timber, so that's even better. So yeah, basically that's it. So if you want to hit like, that'll be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, I mean, right there, that'd be awesome. And if you want to check out another video, that'd be cool. And until the next one, peace.